#AI News Today. Good morning and welcome to your daily AI news briefing. I'm your host, and we've got some fascinating stories to dive into today that range from the unexpected to the downright bizarre. Stay with us as we break down what's happening in the world of artificial intelligence and technology. Let's start with something that might make you rethink the future of coaching. There's a man in Oregon who is currently leading an Italian football team to victory without ever setting foot on the pitch. His name is Max Campbell, and he's being called the world's first work-from-home football coach. Now, this isn't just someone phoning it in from his basement. Campbell is actively managing and coaching his team, making strategic decisions, and apparently doing a pretty good job of it. What's remarkable here is that this is becoming increasingly possible thanks to technology and digital communication tools. It raises an interesting question about where the boundaries of remote work actually end. If a football coach can lead a team from thousands of miles away, what other traditionally in-person roles might be reimagined for the remote work era? Now, let's shift gears to something that affects millions of people daily. Google just released a brand new health app, and the response has been mixed at best. On the surface, it looks fantastic. The design is sleek, it's got animated graphs, the interface is visually engaging. But here's where the problems start. According to users who have been testing it, all that visual pizzazz comes at a cost. The readability is suffering. More importantly, actually accessing your health data has become more difficult. This is a perfect example of form competing with function in technology design. Sure, your app can look gorgeous, but if users can't easily find the information they need, what's the point? It's a reminder that in health technology especially, clarity and accessibility should always trump flashy visuals. And finally, we've got an intriguing development from Apple. The company has been quietly registering a new subdomain called genoi.apple.com. This is a clear signal that Apple is preparing to make a big announcement about generative AI capabilities. Why does this matter? Because Apple has been relatively quiet on the generative AI front compared to competitors like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. This subdomain registration is happening right before their upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference, known as WWDC. At that event, we're expecting Apple to finally pull back the curtain on their generative AI strategy. The tech industry has been waiting to see how Apple will enter this space, and it looks like we won't have to wait much longer. Those are your top AI stories for today. For more updates on everything happening in artificial intelligence and technology, make sure you like and subscribe for daily AI updates.